Hello everyone, this is Tom from RESAAS, just giving you an update on some of the stuff we've been doing behind the scenes to bring you, the real estate agent, more business. As you know, we have an awful lot of agents scattered across the world. In fact, nearly 500,000 agents in over 160 countries that use our platform. One of the main things that agents are doing very well from it is referrals, in fact. So an agent-to-agent referral, we all know that in the pyramid of real estate, which is marketing at the bottom, leads in the middle, transaction at the top, a referral is the best type of lead. Okay, it bypasses marketing, qualifies the lead, it's about as good as it gets. So I'm going to show you some of the stuff that we've been doing behind the scenes to make our referral section even more efficient, which will bring you more business. So here's the platform, you should recognize it. Very elegant, very simple, designed to make your brand, your face, and your content pop. So let's go into the left-hand nav over here, jump into referrals, click on create. This is new. So you would create a referral when you have a client that's looking to do a transaction perhaps out of your area. And so with all of the talk of people moving out of cities and to the rural areas and the countryside and the suburbs, this might be actually very applicable to you. So pro tip, touch all of your clients, knock on their door, send them a text, reach out, see if they're interested in perhaps moving. And if they are, have a conversation with them so that you're part of the transaction. And if they do move and you can be part of this and use RESAAS to find a referral partner, then you will earn a referral fee. So let's go, pretty straightforward. Click the big button to get going. Step one, how much do you want to charge? What is the referral fee that you want to be paid by the other agent when you send your client to them and they do a transaction? I can tell you from doing referrals at RESAAS for about 6 years now, the average referral fee that we've seen from all of the unique real estate data that we gather is about 35%. So whatever the other agent makes on the buy side, about a third of that is what could be coming back to you. So let's do that, 35% of what the other agent makes. You can actually adjust it to suit your own requirements. In commercial, it's different. In some countries, it's different again. But the standard we see, certainly in North America, is 35% of what the other agent makes, okay? So click to the next piece. You can see on the right here, guys, this is a multi-step process, very straightforward, 7 steps to happiness. And by the way, this saves you having to search. So for years, we've been having to hunt through Google or directories or asking our managing broker for who do you know in a certain city to refer to. This bypasses all of that, gives you your time back. You just say what you're looking for, where you're looking for some help, and it pushes the referral into that market. More on that later. So let's say we're referring down into Austin, very fast growing city. We're seeing a lot of referrals go into that particular city in Texas right now. You go to the next screen again. You can add in some information about the type of property that your client is perhaps looking for. It's all optional. If you do, that's great. It helps agents on the other end get a better sense as to whether they're best suited to help you. Next step again, what's the transaction type? Are they pre-approved for a mortgage or some kind of credit facility? That's quite important. It validates the client's ability to buy, again, for the agent on the other end, okay? So, you know, let's say they are 1.5, which I think in Austin would get you something quite nice. So this is cool too. You can add in your client information. And the key here, guys, look, it's kept private until you award the referral to a particular agent. So if you push this out, let's say that 25 agents in Austin reply to you very quickly and say, hey, pick me. Once you've gone through the list and chosen the agent that suits your client the best, and you've made that agreement and that deal with that agent, only at that point are the client details, which are kept private, then shared with the other agent. Okay, so let's just do this. Let's say I'm referring my friend John. Here's his information. Let's go next. This is a little message. It helps just add some context to what's going on. Motivated buyer, pre-approved for, what did we say, 1.5. I would say the more information you provide, the better. Again, it just helps you qualify agents on the other end a little bit better because they'll be responding knowing more. Okay, and then at the end, here's the summary of everything we filled out. How much you'll get paid as a referral fee, where, the type, information about the deal, the client, which is kept private until the end, and the message. And then what's cool, this is a beauty of our platform, everyone. You can choose which particular group that you belong to, you share the referral with. Okay, so if you're in a particular association or a brokerage, or maybe you've got a particular designation that you like and you want to try and keep that referral to an agent of similar qualification, you have the ability to. All the time knowing that at the end of the day, if you can't find the agent that you want inside your little group you're sharing with, then you can pop it up to all agents, where it will be made available and discoverable by any agent on RESAAS to be alerted to. They can look at this data right here and respond, okay? I'm not gonna click submit, because if I do, there'll be a lot of agents in Austin get very excited and start responding to me. Don't wanna give them false hope, but you get the gist. Very straightforward, very simple. This is how you can earn referral fees when your clients start to move. I'll do another video. Make sure you tune in below and watch something coming up on how you can win referral business. But when you've got a client that's moving out of town, you want to refer it out and be part of the transaction, earn that referral fee, use this form, and you'll do very well.